Hi guys, welcome back to Hey Mummy. I have got Ozzy and Diggory with me today because our advent calendar unboxing today is not one for mums, girlfriends or wives. It's one for the kids.
Hold on a minute. Are you subscribed?
Yeah, are you subscribed? What have they got to do if they're not subscribed, Ozzy?
Hit the button if you're not subscribed.
Yep, hit the button if you're not subscribed. So this advent calendar that we've found today is $8.99 and it's in Home Bargains. It's called Squeeze'ems and it's basically 24 squishies in an advent calendar. If you've seen any of my Christmassy videos before, then you'll know that I'm not a massive fan of chocolate and sweet advent calendars, because you're just filling the kids with sugar, normally before school, which I don't think is very fair. Don't click oh God. The boys keep doing this at the moment, clicking their knuckles, and I absolutely hate it. I don't think it's good for you. Don't do it, stop it. Right, stop.
You've got to cut that bit out.
Let's focus on the advent calendar, boys. Focus. Right. Okay, so it's 24 squishies in an advent calendar.
Bagsy opening the first one. Bagsy.
Actually, opening the last one.
Well, there's 24 doors to open because hopefully on Christmas Day, if you boys behaved yourself, look for number 1, Diggs. If you boys have behaved yourself, then hopefully day number 25, you might be getting something more than a squishy. Okay, Diggs. So Christmas has come early. What have we got here? Number 1 squishy is what colour? You can open it up, Diggs.
Number 1.
Ozzy's going to find number 2. It's really hard to see the numbers on these doors, isn't it?
Yeah. Number 1.
Oh, cute! Look at number 1. That looks edible. It looks like a jelly sweet, not a squishy. Right. We can't find number 2. Oh, he's found it. Here we go.
Another.
Oh, it's another.
No, they're different.
Glittery one. Okay. Number 3. Oh. Number 3's down here. Do I get number 3? Oh, is that Diggory's again? And Mum's allowed to open squishy calendars.
No, why did you open?
Oh, there you go. Oh, it's a yellow one.
Oh, it's tiger.
That's cute. They're really sweet. Let's put them here on my hand so people can see. Now we've got number 2, a dragon one.
And number 4.
Number 3.
No, I'm opening number.
Oh, I'll tell you what, we're not doing this in order at all. It was my fault because I did open number 3.
Okay,
I didn't even know whether I was allowed to play, but I got very
Number
excited.
5.
I love Christmas.
I found it.
They're all quite sort of familiar. Jelly shaped.
Got silver one.
I want a pink one and a blue
Silvery
one.
back.
Where's some bright primary
Six.
colours?
Oh, I got a pink sparkly one.
Oh, we've got pink. Here we go. We have got pink.
7. Where's 7? I found it.
I think it's because they're a bit see-through. Interesting. Ah, look at that little
Oh, I
wabbit.
just got plain white.
It's a wabbit one.
I did see pink.
That's really
Got a
cute.
dog.
A dog.
I got
like
a
the dog.
chicken.
Oh, we've got a chicken.
Oh, what?
Oh, I like the doggy one.
What one did you
I think
just
the dog
open?
and the rabbit are my favourites.
I got a chili
A seal.
pink. It's like
11. Where's 11?
A ghosty looking jellyfish with ears.
11.
Interesting.
11. Oh, this is so nice. Feel it. It's like
Yeah.
sticky
Oh,
and
That
wait,
looks like
no,
that's
it's
a
so
good
nice.
one.
12.
Number
This one feels
12. Are we up to
sticky.
number 12 already?
Yeah.
We're halfway through the month of December, but we're not really because
13.
it's November.
It's actually October.
Christmas just come early in our
It's
house.
October month.
No, we're in November now.
We're
I got
October.
doggy.
No, we're not, Diggory.
What?
It's November.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. For once, I was right. It's normally me that gets it wrong, or me that's being forgetful. Do you think that's a glow-in-the-dark one?
Is
That look- oh,
13? Is
That looks
13?
glow-in-the-darky,
You
doesn't
got
it?
frog. Is that 13?
13. There's a T in 13.
Then.
2 E's and a T.
Yeah, 14.
How do you spell 13, Ozzy?
Wait.
Got no T. Oh, yes.
Diggory.
We got our first brightly coloured
No,
one.
we got an
I know, we
orange.
did get a yellow one.
It's orange.
Is that orange?
Yes,
That's
orange.
yellow,
What?
Diggs.
No, what? It's orange.
I think it's a bit late late in the day at 11 years old to find out that you
15.
don't know the difference between
Oh my god,
orange
I
and
need
yellow.
to. That was so
Ozzy,
nice.
is that orange?
Yeah, that's orange.
That's yellow.
Yellow.
That is yellow.
What?
Me and Ozzy
Dark
are picked.
yellow.
I love that one. It looks.
That one's my favourite one.
That looks like blue
No,
glass.
but this.
Look at that, it's
Oh,
beautiful.
it's all sticky and squidgy. It's so nice. It's so
Is
nice.
that 15?
Oh, I like these ones. The
Is
shiny
that
ones. I
Yeah,
like.
the shinies are
Oh,
like
Lord.
sticky.
Oh, I got silver chicken.
Wait, what did you just say?
I think
One.
16.
Oh, do you know what? These are getting cuter and
Look
cuter.
at this
Where's
bird.
17? I've got one. I got it.
Pop them in the pile.
Yes, orange. It's actually orange.
We're loving this calendar.
Wait, so shall I?
So for £8.99, boys, we need to work out if this calendar's
Oh, I
about.
got penguin.
This calendar's £9.
I got
It's
penguin.
Wait, what did you
£20.
just open?
So how much
not
is each
18.
squishy?
Just didn't you?
I don't know.
Look,
Um,
penguin.
At all.
What's
Wait,
2 nines?
18. Wait, I
Two
need to
nines?
open 19.
Yeah.
9, 18.
18, he's on
19, I
it.
Oh.
found it.
18.
18.
3 nines.
Oh, ooh, hedgehog.
3 nines.
20. Where's 20?
20 what?
Nothing.
Diggory, 3 nines.
Orange
3
hedgehog.
nines.
9, 18, 20.
5? No.
No,
7.
not 25.
This is my
27.
Feel that. Feel that.
So these squishies are under £3 each. Each door
Where's
is under
20?
£3
This
each.
is 20. Oh, I've got pink 20.
21.
20? What's happened to all your teeth?
Oh, another tea fruit and sticky one.
Don't know what's happened to them.
Wait, it's a fox. It's fox.
A foxy squishy. Oh. Oh, Diggy, that's a cute
I
one.
got a cat.
And a cat. They're tiny little squishies. I think we need to make them a house.
Oh, I got reindeer.
Is this a dog? Yeah, I'm pretty sure
Which
this
one are
is
you
dog.
opening now, Diggs?
Ready?
Is that 24?
No.
Bless you, whoever just sneezed.
Me. Wait, no, 24. Where is it?
24 is the
Where?
last
Okay, so
one.
here.
That's
No, my
Ready?
one.
That's Christmas Eve. Share it. Be nice.
Yes.
Don't fight over it. Stop it. Oh, let him have it then.
A pig? Is that
Okay.
a pig?
I want to hold them all. I want to hold them all.
No,
Okay, so we're liking the squishy calendar. If you
Best
want one of those,
ever.
it's definitely a good price
No,
at $8.99 for a calendar that's not filled with chocolate or sweets. There's a lot of
We'll
fun
pop
to be
it
had.
down.
And I think if you're opening one of those doors every day
don't remember
of the month
that
of
one.
December, you're
Yeah.
going to look forward to it. It's going to be great
No,
fun.
no.
What do we think, boys, of the Home Bargains Advent Calendar? Thumbs up. It's got a Hey Mummy thumbs up. Diggory, don't stop throwing them. Oh my gosh.
Ow.
There, I've just thrown it back. Brilliant parenting there. Don't do that, and then I did it. Right, we're just going to have a squishy fight. And we need to go shopping for your Advent calendars. Oh my gosh. Right, we've got squishies all over the dining room now. Anyway, take care, make sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you on the next video where we're going to be making Advent calendars.
Drop a like.